And I'm taking you all with me on my dime, a taxi across the sticks to the capital, to hell, everyone behind me together. Off we go. Horse is drawing near, he waits. He weighs, he counts, of many kinds. He takes away more. On a black horse he rushes from afar, holding the scales, counting, weighing, in short, famine and misery. A quart of wheat for a denarius, and do not harm the oil of the wine. The black horse rushes, speaks, gallops with misery and famine. In the wake of the second, his tracks, a path for the fourth. Before the abyss opens the gates of hell in 7 circles, there is still famine, misery. We ride with him in a single carriage for everything that lives. All formalities signed. Area code 666. I must regard the world tries ceaselessly their daylight, and they'll barely hang on, only or not at all. The world tries ceaselessly, and I hop, sa, sa, hop, sa, sa. One agent, the second hang burns. A trail for the abyss, and I take with me everything that lives on my dime. A taxi across the sticks to the capital of hell. A quart of wheat for a denarius, and do not harm the oil and the wine. Standards on formality signed. Regards, lack of funds, hunger and frustration, increasing the tension. Misery leads to aggression in society. Brutalization of life favors social isolation, a factor in the occurrence of violence. Famine and misery. And I'm taking you all with me on my dime, a taxi across the sticks to the capital, to hell. Everyone for Eunice, and do not harm the oil of the wine. Blood splatters, still formality signed. Regards, lack of funds, hunger and frustration, increasing the tension. Misery leads to aggression in society. Brutalization of life favors social isolation, a factor in the occurrence of violence, famine and misery. And memorization of lies favors social isolation, a factor in the occurrence